Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi love, my name is Real Daphne and I'm officially welcoming you to the family. Yeah, and if you want to see how I created this look, this you know this look, just stay tuned. And yeah, nimeongea sana. Let's get right into the video.
My time Nico, my time Nico, my time Nico, my time Nico. Hey, okay.
So these are all the products we're going to need for this video. Working on damp freshly washed hair, and I suggest you also work on damp freshly washed hair. I lightly moisturize my hair using my leave-in conditioner. Do not moisturize your hair too much because too much oil makes it hard to deal with. For my short hair babes, I suggest sectioning your hair into two because it makes it easier to work with. I was done showing you guys how I did the first part, but gosh, it's like the devil was working overtime. I didn't film it. But anyways, we'll just do it again. As you can see, I'm just parting my hair in the middle because I wanted that mid-part look and combing it through. Once satisfied, use your gel and make sure to apply a generous amount to your hair because you don't want your hair to start looking I don't know how. Just use a generous amount of gel. This video I'm using the Nice and Lovely styling gel, but you can use any gel of your choice. This part is repetitive. All you have to do is just take gel, apply it to your hair and comb it through, nothing more. I later go in with my molding gel for that sleek look. You can use any other edge control of your choice like Shine and Jam, but for that sleek look I'm just using molding gel in this video. Once done, I tie my hair in a top bun because I want that high ponytail look. I am now sectioning my non-existent baby hairs, but anyway, don't worry, just trust the process. You see, I'm even laughing at myself. Just trust the process, guys. Time to lay those non-existent baby hairs. I don't know how to explain this part well, but all you have to do is swoop down and then go up in a curved way, like as if you're forming a C. I don't know if you understand, but here just up, down, then up, as if you're making a C. Yeah. I really hope my explanation makes sense or somehow makes sense. To lay your baby hairs properly, I suggest using your finger to hold while you're swooping. Swoop, then hold. It creates the perfect curve. Repeat this process till satisfied. Once you're done with everything and you're satisfied, cover your hair. Silk is the best to cover your hair, but if you don't have anything silk, just find another alternative. To make your ponytail, you will need any braid of your choice. I know this is the part you have all been waiting for. How am I going to attach this braid? And where? No lie, it took me about a minute, but we got there. We did it. All you have to do is tie your hair, but make sure that the longest part is in front and this short side is behind. I kinda niliblanda kidogo, but yeah, I made it right. I made that correction. You see, this is how it's supposed to be. Just tie your hair, make sure that this long part is in front and that shorter part is behind. I really hope I make sense, guys. This braid was a little tangled, so I just had to comb it through to make it more workable. Take a piece of your braid and put it aside because you'll use it to wrap around your braid to give it that natural hair look. So this part is very simple. All you have to do is just start parting your braid and braid it. Using the piece of hair you left behind, wrap it around your hair to give it that natural look, the one that we were talking about. And with that, we are done. This is how it turned out. Just look at it, guys. Oh my god. Gosh. I am feeling myself. I am definitely feeling myself too much. Too much. Did I create that? Did I do that? Is it me? Oh gosh. Wow. We done did that, honey. We done did that. So thank you for watching. If you liked watching this video and you've stayed tuned until now, please like, subscribe and comment. Tell me what you think I should do better, or also tell me what you think I slayed and if I slayed this look. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be informed every time I post a new video. And yeah, thank you. When you're gonna baby hairs, you process si lazima kwa magic. Magic. Ah. Only your side profile.
Nataka kujiona.
Yeah? Ah? Nani ananibeza?